Hello friends, today we will be doing grade 2 2023 SMC paper. So let's just start. Question 1. Which one of the following options is matched correctly or is correctly matched? So let's see. 503. So this is 531. So this is wrong. As in this is 530, but this is 503. So this is not correctly matched. 353 tenths. So if you check this number, this is 353 tenths. So this becomes 830. So this is also not correctly matched. 513. So this is 31. So this is also not matched. So 535. So 5 hundreds plus 3 tenths plus 5 ones, which is 535. So the correct answer here is option 4. The answer for question 1 is option 4. Let's move on. Question number 2. Which of the following options is correct? So this is 35 and this is 24. So 24 is not greater than 35. This is 24 and 24. So both 24 and 24 are equal. So again, this is not correct. This is 6 and this is 8. So this is the correct option. And if you see option 4, so you get 41. And this is, if you just round it off, this is 120. So you will get around 81. So again, 41 is not greater than 81. So the answer is option number 3. Question number 3. Jennifer has 24 hair clips. She puts them equally into 3 packs. How many hair clips are there in each pack? So you have 24 clips and you're putting them into 3 packs. So how many clips are there in each pack? Option 4. There are 8 clips. Then question number 4. The time on the clock is below is 5 minutes slower. Which one of the following option shows the actual time? So this is 7:10. So this is slower. So the actual time is 7:15, which is option number 3. Question number 5. The height of the classroom door is about. So 2 centimeters very small. Like if you're confused on centimeters, you see your scale, which is the small scale, which is 15 centimeters. So 2 centimeters very small. 2 meter is a reasonable estimate. 20 centimeters, again, your big ruler that you get, that is for 30 centimeter. So 20 centimeters is also fairly small and 20 meters is very big. So the correct estimate here is option 2, which is 2 meters. Question number 6, which of the following fractions is greater than 1 over 2? So if you see, all of these have a denominator of 8. So let's just convert this fraction to a denominator of 8. So you multiply 4 and 4. So this fraction is 4 over 8. So you need to find fractions which is more than 4 over 8. This is 1 over 8, which is smaller. 3 over 8 is smaller. 4 over 8 is equal to 4 over 8. So that is also not my answer. My answer is 5 over 8. So this fraction is greater than 1/2. Question number 7. Andy, Benjamin, Lucas, and Siti had lunch together in the food court. They bought chicken, rice, noodles, fish and chips, and pasta. Based on the following statements, what food did Benjamin order? So if you see Siti, so let's just say SAL and B. So they are saying Siti loves fish. So she ordered fish. Andy prefers to eat rice. Okay, so rice is gone and fish is gone. Now, Lucas did not order noodles. So Lucas is not ordering noodles. So who will order noodles? Benjamin will order noodles. So the question is, what did Benjamin order? Benjamin ordered noodles, which is option 2. Question number 8. Joanne wants to buy a pair of goggles as shown below. She has 6 notes and some coins in her purse. How much more money does Joanne need? So the goggles are costing $33. And how much money does she have? $10, 5, 5. So this is $20, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So that's $6. And there's one more dollar here. So total $27.80. So she has so much money. How much more money do you need? So whenever you're doing these options, just go, you just have a look at the options. Most of the students mark this. This is the amount of money she has. So the question is asking how much more money do you need? So you have to subtract 27.80 from $33. So this cannot be my answer. This cannot be my answer. If you don't understand the decimal part, just round this off to the nearest number, which is 28. So if you do 33 minus 28, you will get 5, correct? So the answer here is 520. So if you understand approximation, you can do that. Else you can actually solve this. This is 0, this becomes 2, this becomes 10, and this becomes 2, this becomes 12. So you will get 520. So answer is option 4. Question number 9. Steve bought a pizza. He gave 3/10 of the pizza to his sister. He also gave twice as many pieces to his father. What fraction of the pizza did he have left? Now, if you see, this is a fraction. So one whole pizza was divided into 10 parts. So let's just make that diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is extra. Let's just remove that. So assuming this was like a long pizza, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he gave 3 parts to the sister. So 3 parts was given to the sister. He gave twice as many pieces to the father. So twice of 3 is 6. So he gives 6 pieces to father. 6 pieces to the father. So what fraction of the pizza is left? So only one piece is left. So what fraction is left? 1/10. So the answer is option 1. Question number 10. A shop sold 113 storybooks, 48 books in January, and 204 storybooks in March. How many storybooks were sold together? So you just need to add. Always write the numbers one below the other. Otherwise, you'll make a mistake. So just add them up. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 carry. This is 6. So you get 365. So the answer here is 365. Question number 11. What is 300 more than 18 tens and 4 ones? So 18 tens and 4 ones, so that is 184. What is 300 more? So add it up, you get 484. So the answer is 484. Question number 12. Look at the following equations. What is the value of the star? Now, whenever you have these kind of questions, just see. You have this equation here, which is equal to 50. So can I say the heart and the star is equal to 50? Okay. So I have a triangle plus 50 is equal to 125. Therefore, the triangle is equal to 125 minus 50, which is 75. So if you have this as 75 and this is equal to 35, so 75 minus what will give you a 35? 75 minus 40. Okay, so if you have 40 here, you can substitute this as here. 40 plus what will give you a 50? 10. So what is the value of the star? 10. So the answer is 10. Question number 13. James needs 3 ice cream sticks to form a triangle as shown in the pattern below. How many ice cream sticks are needed to form 4 triangles in pattern 4? So basically pattern 4 is just this extension. So how many ice cream sticks are needed? Let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So they'll need 9 ice cream sticks to make the pattern 4. Question number 14. Jean has fewer than 30 cups. She can pack all the cups equally in boxes with 4 cups in each box. She can also pack all the cups equally in containers with 5 cups in each container. No cup is left unpacked. How many cups does Jean have? So you need a number which is divisible by 4 and also which is divisible by 5. Now, if there is a number which is divisible by 5, it has to end up with a 0 or 5. But if you see, there will be no number which ends with a 5 in 4 tables. So this cannot happen. So now you have to look for a number which ends with a 0. And the number is, say, 20, 40, and so on. But they're saying it is fewer than 30 cups. So the only answer that's available is 20. 20 is divisible by 4 and 20 is also divisible by 5. So the answer here is 20 cups. Let's do question 15. Mrs. Tan made 3 skirts using a total of 532 centimeter of cloth. She used 120 centimeters to make the first skirt. So let's just subtract this. Okay, so she used the same amount of cloth to make the second skirt. So again, the second skirt. So what do we get? 9. Okay, now second skirt. How much cloth did she use to make the third skirt? So how much cloth will she use? She'll use 292 centimeters. So my answer is 292. Question number 16. Alice had square cardboard and 32 coins. She wants to place an equal number of coins on each side of the cardboard. A coin is placed at each corner of the cardboard as shown below. How many coins can Alice place on each side of the cardboard? So if you see, out of 32, 4 coins have already been placed. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many coins are left out? 28. Now I have 4 sides. So I will divide it by 4. So I'll get a 7. So 7 coins here, 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. But that's not the answer. They are saying how many coins can Alice place on each side. So if you see, the side will go like this. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in this case, basically this is the coin which is here. And this is the coin which is here, correct? And these are the 7 coins. So how many coins are placed on each side of the cardboard? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 coins. Question number 17. The weighing scale below shows the total mass of an apple and a bunch of bananas. The bunch of bananas weighs 290 grams. What is the mass of 3 such identical apples? So if you see here, what is the total weight here? 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4. So this is 340 grams. And the bunch of this is 290 grams. So each apple is 50 grams. Now they're saying what is the weight of 3 such identical apples? So the answer is 150 grams. Question number 18. Jessica bought 6 pens and 2 files. Each pen cost $3. So she bought 6 pens. So that's $18. And each file cost $2 more than each pen. So each file cost 3 plus 2, which is $5. And she bought 2 files. So she spent $10. So she spent a total of $28. She gave the cashier $50. So how much change will she receive? So you do 58 minus 28. So this is 10. So you have to borrow. So this becomes 4. This becomes 10. This is 2. So you have to, she'll get $22 as change. Question 19. Tom has $40 more than Ken. Samad has $30 more than Tom. Samad has $270. So we write like this: Tom, Ken, and Samad. So Samad has $270. Now Samad has 30 more than Tom. So Tom has 30 less than Samad. So Tom has $240. And now they're saying Tom has $40 more than Ken. So basically Ken has $40 less than Tom. So this becomes 200. And so they're saying add all of them. So you have $710. So the answer is $710. Question number 20. The numbers on the three houses below follow a pattern. What is the missing number on the third house? So if you see here, this is 15. Let's just see what is the logic here. So if you first thing, let's just add everything. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 9 is 15. So if you do 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, this is adding to 15. Let's just check here also. If you see 7 plus 8 is 15. And this is also 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 30 plus 10 is 40. So that is the logic. So you have to use the same thing here. 22 plus 20 plus 24 plus 21 plus 23. Right? So just add it up. 22, 20, 24, 23, 21. So you have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer is 110. Question number 21. Mrs. Lim wrote a three-digit number on a whiteboard. She halved the three-digit number first. After that, she subtracted 170 from the number. So basically, there was a number. She halved the three-digit number, so she divided it by 2. So whatever number she gets, she subtracted 170 from the number. Then she divided the result by 5 and the final answer was 6. So these are the series of operations that they have done. Now, in order to get to this number, I have to follow reverse operation. So this was divide by 5 is equal to 6. So what do? This number will be 5 into 6. We do inverse operation. If this is division, you multiply. If this is subtraction, you add. If it's addition, then you subtract. So this becomes 30. So basically it's negative. So there is a number from which you've subtracted 170. So you get a 30. So basically you'll do inverse operation. So you do 170 plus 30. So this is 200 and this is divide by 2. So basically you'll do 200 multiply by 2. So this number is 400. So the answer is 400. So if you do 400 divide by 2, you get a 200. 200 minus 170 is a 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So it tallies. So what was the number that Mrs. Lim wrote? It was 400. Question number 22. John wrote a three-digit number on a piece of paper. The digit in the ones place is the greatest one-digit number. So if they're saying it's the greatest, so you just start doing as you read the question. Is the greatest one-digit number, which is 9. The digit in the tens place is 4 less than the digit in the ones place. So whatever this number is, this is 4 less than this number. The value of the digit in the hundreds. Oh, sorry, this is saying the digit in the ones place. So this is here. The digit in the tens place is 4 less than the digit in the ones place. So this is a 5. And the digit in the hundreds place is 650 more than the value of the digit in the tens place. So 650 and this is, what is the value of 5 here? 50. So you add it up. So the value of the digit in the hundreds place is 700. So this digit is 7. So the number is 759. Question number 23. 10 soldiers need to cross a river. A rubber boat can ferry 4 soldiers each time. One soldier has to steer the boat during each crossing. What is the least number of crossings needed to take all the soldiers to get to the other side of the river? Now, assuming there are 10 soldiers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And suppose this is your river. So what will happen is there will be a boat here. What will happen? They'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. The boat will carry these people. So 1, 2, 3 will get down and then you need one person to steer the boat. So 4 will come here. Then 4, 5, 6, 7 will sit in the boat. They will come here. So what will happen? 4, 5, 6 will get down and then 7 will steer the boat and come here. And so you will have 7, 8, 9, and 10. They will come here. And so 7, 8, 9, and 10 will reach you. So what is the least number of crossings that needs to be done? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 is the answer. So 5 trips. So they'll go there and one person has to come back. Then again take 3 more, drop them, then come back and then take all of them. So the answer here will be 5. Question number 24. Agnes had some sweets in her container. She gave 4 sweets to each of the 9 girls and 5 sweets to each of the 3 boys in her class. In the end, she had 35 sweets left. How many sweets did Agnes have at first? So she gave 4 sweets to each of the 9 girls. So she gave 36 sweets to these girls and 5 sweets to each of the 3 boys. So she gave 15 sweets to the, so these were given to the girls, these were given to the boys. So total 51, and at the end she had 35 left. So how many sweets did she have at first? It was 86. Question 25. Alicia and Daniel have a total mass of 90 kg. Alicia and Sam, so Alicia and Daniel has a total of 90. Alicia and Sam have a total mass of 102. Now Alicia has a mass of 47. So let's just see here. So if Alicia has a mass of 47, so this is 47 plus D, which is 90. So what is the weight of Daniel? 90 minus 47, which is 43. And same thing. If this is 47 plus S is 102, so S will be 102 minus 47, which is 5 and 55. So you have to add the weight for Daniel, which is 42, and Sam, which is 55. So you get 43. So that becomes 98 kg. So there are total 45 questions in this paper. So we have solved from question 1 to 25. The other questions from 26 to 45, we will solve in another video. Thank you for watching.